Hey everybody, Crew Chief 01 here. I've been tagged in a vid by making masterclass for the sounds of my everyday carry. It's not a whole lot. It's not like I'm carrying around a major arsenal or anything, but it is what it is. So why don't we get into it here? First thing, my pocket knife, old school Kershaw. There's the sound right there. Really like this blade. Had it for many years. Awesome knife. It's not as cool as the new ones that are out, but I'll tell you what, it's held a razor sharp edge, and it's always with me. Fits great in the palm, just big enough. Got a great lockup on it. Really can't ask for more out of any kind of knife. I don't care what you're looking for. You know what I mean? It's a knife's a knife. There we go. Kershaw. Real nice knife. Just started, just got this, so put this on and get a sound out of this. Okay. Not a lot of sound there. Try it again. Maybe we'll put it on first. There we go. Alright, cheapo Timex Expedition watch. No sound there. Great little work watch. I really like them. For what I do, I go through watches like, I go through a lot of watches, but no sound there. Old school mag light. You know, I mean, there's some really nice lights out, but I don't know. I don't fix something unless it's broken, and you know, got a little heft to it. If I have to use it for a weapon, it would hurt like hell. I'm sure it would. So, got, you know, just enough brightness for me to see what I need to see. I'm not going to really be blinding anybody. Outer box on my iPhone. I don't know about a lot of sound there. It's a nice little setup. I really like it. Keeps it $high phone safe. Old school bifold wallet. Nothing big here. No money in it, but there's a little sound. I'm not real big on keys. I'm not a key guy. Couple vehicles I have. It's one or the other that I'll have in my pocket, and really don't carry a lot of house keys or whatever. So it's going to be one or the other. Ooh, nice sounds. All right. I'm going to come down to my everyday carry on my guns. This is one of my favorite little guns right here. This is a Diamondback 380. Awesome little gun. I mean, I really like it. They call it, you know, it's been dubbed as the Mini Glock. I don't know about that, but that's what I've heard it called before. So let me go ahead and check it. It should be loaded. Yep. There'll be one in the pipe. Oh yeah. One gun's clear. Sweet little gun. I really like it. This thing's on me 90-something% of the time. If it isn't a sole carry, it's a backup for sure. Nice little lightweight gun. Can't say enough about it. It shoots really nice. It's got a nice little trigger on it. For the money, not bad. Not bad at all. I really like it. Went ahead and I got the extension, the pinky extension mag. Really a cool little gun. I like it a lot. Yeah, cheapo little Impossible's universal holster. It's perfect. It really, it's very comfortable for me. I really like it. So I can't say enough about that one. Let's see, what am I carrying in here now? Remington Ultimate Defense 102 grain. jacketed hollow point. Nice little bullets there for a 380. Really like them. And we're getting down to it. It's not a whole lot, guys. Then I got this. This has become more of my weekend at night. There's a little sound right there. It's becoming more and more. I'm trying to, get used to carrying this thing. Never really carried a 5-inch before. It's loaded. I'm sure it is. Let me go ahead and unload it. And I really like this one too. This is a new Ruger, so I really like it. It's makes me feel good. Makes me feel safe now when I have this on. I do carry some 9s too, but I've been starting to carry this 45 here more and more. Nice Blade Tech holster. Really fits well. Now that it's becoming winter time here, I'll be able to carry this more and more with the clothing and that. My NRA hat, when I'm not at work, I usually have that on, so it's pretty much about all I really carry anymore. I really don't like a whole lot of stuff in my pocket, as long as I got a weapon or so on me, a nice blade. I'm pretty good to go. So that's it, guys. Making Master Class. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, everybody.